So a lot of people say they don't know how to download the PDFs. So this is just a video for anybody that needs some help. So for example, this is the Printables ice cream shop printables. So you're gonna scroll down the post, you can have a look at everything. I'm just scrolling super fast so you guys can see where it would be. Okay, so you're gonna see a heading that's gonna tell you that this PDF download is gonna be right here. So we scroll down, and then if you're not logged in, you're gonna see this. So I've changed this wording to make it super easy for everybody. This is where you click to get the PDF, guys. So you're gonna click here, you're gonna sign up here, you're gonna put your email address. I'm already signed in to Grow, so it just came straight up. It's right here. So this is your PDF right here, and you can open this in a new tab, you can print. That's where your PDF is. So once you found this PDF and unlocked it, if you want to download it to the computer, you're going to click right here. This is the file download. So then you download this to your laptop, your desktop, whichever, and then you can print it from your device. If you are on a phone, you may not see this lock screen. You're just going to see it literally right like this. You can click, you can print. So if you did not have an account on Grow, when you click it, this is how it's going to come up. So you can sign in with your Facebook, you can sign in with Google, or you can fill email address and password. So then you're going to click sign up, and then you have these options. You want to subscribe to our email newsletter. It's optional, but obviously we appreciate that. Or you can just sign to the Grow terms of service. That's the only thing you have to agree to. And just press continue.